Hello, my name is David Ross. I'm the Maintenance and Spare Parts Manager here in Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola HBC are a growth business and we recognise that, and for us to grow we need to grow our people, and that starts with our apprentices. Hence the reason why we run an apprenticeship programme here at Coca-Cola Hellenic.
I'm doing my HLA foundation degree in Engineering Industry 4.0. I'm working at Coca-Cola through SERC. Industry 4 is pretty much how factories are changing to be more robotics and more mechatronics based. While working in Coca-Cola, I feel really supported working with my mentors and within the wider automation team. Part of my roles are making sure the PLCs are backed up to the cloud and making any modifications necessary. So even though I'm the only female within the maintenance team, I'm treated the exact same as any of the other apprentices and everybody else. Like, I'm still able to carry out any tasks that I need to do, and I would encourage any other female to get into this role, because it's really not, even though it's seen as a manly job, it's not like whatsoever. It's not a dirty job. It's not, like, it is really good, and I'm able to do everything that anybody else is able to. So doing an apprenticeship rather than going to uni, I believe is a lot more helpful, because you're learning on the job, so you've got that experience rather than doing all the theory of it, yes, but it's very different to the practical side. And also then you're not having any student debt at the end of it, and you're getting paid while doing it, which can be a lot of problem for people who are then having to have jobs on top of going to uni. And with this apprenticeship, it's going into the advancements of technology and how them factories are developing to be more robotics and mechatronics. I would recommend anyone considering doing higher education to consider going on to the HLA because of the amount of benefits to it.